In this guide, you will learn how to fix Instagram message unavailable error. Let's get started. This issue can happen for different reasons. One of the most common reasons is that the person sent you a post or a story that has either been deleted or has expired after 24 hours. If it didn't open the message in time, Instagram will show it as unavailable because the original content no longer exists. Another possible reason is related to sensitive content restrictions. If you have sensitive content controls enabled on your account, this can sometimes prevent certain messages from being displayed properly. In some cases, a simple refresh can fix the issue. So try closing Instagram app completely, wait a few moments, and then open it again to see if the message loads. Next thing you can try is updating your Instagram app. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on that. App updates often fix bugs and glitches like this. These are the main methods that usually resolve the Instagram message unavailable problem. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.